Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change your web page layout in Site123. So let's start. First, what you want to do is click here on design, then go to customize, and you're gonna see it here, website structure, and you can choose which one you actually like. There's so many of them that some of them are really cool. So choose wisely and choose which one you like. Like creating a site on 123 as a landing page is really easy and perfect. So yeah, that's kind of it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I will try to help you. And thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.